Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on main track magnet and auto snapping in CapCut PC. So for instance, I want the text to be like exactly here, but it won't snap in place. I want it to be exactly where this line is. So I'm just going to enable auto snapping, and I also like to turn on the main track magnet so that the video is always there. Now, when I place it here, it's going to snap to that line instead of just doing this, and it won't just snap and it won't be in the precise location. So make sure you have that enabled and you will snap that element into place. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!